now you can see some information. So this niche for the small and medium sized solopreneurs, they cannot afford marketing agencies and they continuously struggle to market their product and services. And they're looking for affordable solutions like lifetime deal and digital tools. Does this sound perfect?
This is a very good persona. So I do have a lot of small, medium business entrepreneurs can't afford marketing agencies and struggle to market their product and service.
You can go ahead to change it. But
yeah, I wouldn't say they look for lifetime deals. They're not aware of lifetime deals.
Right.
So I have clients who are agencies. They want me to come and train their in-house team. Small to medium businesses who want me to train them, and that would be fitting this. They want me to give them some coaching, consultancy work, roadmap for the next 12, 24 months, what they should do.
Right.
So that's how I would change it. Most of them aren't aware of software. Where they have a problem, they're not aware there's software that could help them with the problem, or they don't want to spend on that.
Right. You would like to change it, and then we also work on example like how to customize an existing workspace for your specific business need.
Would that be acceptable to Athena?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
The next, the sub niches, obviously going broad is like hitting against the wall, right? So you wanted to make it more specific, and that's why you drill down into sub niche and micro niche. There are two purposes. One is teaching the AI in different way, how you wanted to narrow down your market, and for yourself also is important as a business that you keep focusing on a specific segment of the market where you are the only option available, right? So that's where you wanted to go with this approach. And it's a marketing approach, so I haven't invented it. It's a normal approach where everyone is telling you niche down in your market.
Yes, absolutely. Right? So if I look objectively at the sub niche reflected on my situation, solopreneurs, time sensitive, low budget, not fully equipped to work with agencies, suffering from loss of revenue, marketing knowledge. Usually, going to your very, very important point you made, Harish, about what's the differentiation. So there's 10 million marketing guys in the world, and usually as a solopreneur, as a startup, you work with a marketing person and you get burnt and you don't trust anyone in marketing. So that is a pain point from them, and I would like to put some pain points in here as well. So could I say, and has had bad experiences with other marketing companies?
Sure. Yeah? You can, yes.
Has had. Now, I'm obviously, well, may not be, my accent might have given it away. I'm in the UK. I asked this because language, is there a distinction between US and UK on Athena? Is some of the spellings are different, like we use Z instead of Z's. So is Athena going to pick that up? Do I need to define that?
It will be good if you can redefine some of the spellings and make it more UK based. I'm sure it will be because you are structuring it this way, but it's hard. Like if you're changing the language completely, then it makes perfect sense. But if you seed the idea and you use those differentiation, it will pick up in rendering the content.
Worthwhile me putting in UK in some of this data fields then as well?
Yeah, to make it more UK specific.
Yeah. So I could say UK solopreneurs in the sub niche.
Yes. That will already niche down and make it more specific.
Small business owners. Okay, thank you. Really good insights there. So Edward, you're probably thinking from your perspective about putting in maybe your state or your territory, Spanish-speaking small business owners. Going back to what you said earlier on, right?
Exactly.
Then we are saying about vertical, right? You can still add here UK small and medium business looking to increase the sale.
What I will be creating content for, it's for people that wants to create courses as a way to increase their revenue, basically to convert their expertise into courses online, and this is going to be for the Spanish market. So as you're doing this, I'm trying to see, first, do I use as a point of reference like you did?
Yeah.
And then how to adapt.
So that's what I would be doing if you were the guinea pig as well. But yeah, we were all sharing. That's a really cool thing about CrawlQ. There's a community. When we get involved, we can all bounce ideas as well. So micro niche, UK small business owners who want to apply marketing tools, lack knowledge about CRM, CMS, and content creation on their own, scaling their business to get more sales from the storefront or leading. It doesn't matter if we make the sentences smaller, because that's, for myself and probably for most readers, that's a very lengthy sentence. But I appreciate the reader is not taking this. This is us feeding Athena right now.
Right.
But if we were to make the sentence smaller, are there any benefits to that?
Smaller is better, because all the time the bigger sentences you get more confusion, as do AI as well. Making a smaller sentence, I think it's good.
Yeah.
Actually, when we would have started from scratch, it would have given you sentence length and everything, and also some indicators, traffic light indicators, that it's too long or too short.
The insights on the right-hand side, that's if we want further ideas, let's say when he's writing about micro niche.
Yes, so at this moment, once Nudge save it, he can just select the insight and delete them, save it, and again regenerate it. Then he's going to create more insights on top of what he has already done, and then you can use this information to further improve your answers. But think of insights as something that the further research, suggested research. So if you are a CEO of the company, some marketing research company gave you a research, 2 or 3 pages your executive summary, right? And then remainder of the research can be for further reading references. So it's good for Athena to train on it, because it's the same information but in a more references or more information or structure around it. So it has two purposes. Either you are digging gold there to make your information better, or you're just leaving it there for Athena to learn from it, right? So there are two purposes for this.
Okay, so this is on the right-hand side.
Yes, this
So
one.
Athena
right.
is using that and what he's writing right now?
Right. Athena will be using what he's writing right now, and later on, when he regenerates this, insights will be very specific to what Nas is writing in the middle part. Remember, we copied it, right? So it is still reflect the old insights from the old thing, right? So when you change it, we need to regenerate them.
But if you're starting from scratch, there will be no information on the right-hand side.
No. If you are starting
that's what
from,
it is.
right.
You start from scratch, and based on what you fill in, you say
Yes.
generate, and it's going to get some information, and you could copy and then generate again, and then it will be
Yes.
better and better and better.
Exactly, that's the idea. The second time you generate, more time you generate, it's going to be better and better.